Jonathan.
Hello, I'm Jonathan Duke Leto. I work on Parrot virtual machine, but yet I care about databases, which is why I want to embed the Parrot virtual machine in Postgres. So there are developers here that know about Postgres internals, which I know there are. You should come help us. I just sent a tweet with the OpenSQL hashtag. If you are on GitHub, you can go to github.com/leo/plparrot. We're basically creating a new Postgres language. It's a bitch. There's not good docs. Postgres internals are weird and have weird freaking names and nothing makes sense in internal functions. So, I'm trolling all databases. So you're all in the same boat. But, I come from the Parrot world and we have great API and we have the word Parrot in every function call. So you're calling Parrot, but shit is Postgres. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking to. So, we would love, there's about 5, I would say, serious developers right now. The writer of, there is a PL lol code if you did not know, and you can write lol code in your Postgres database. And I have that guy on board, he's helping PL Parrot because that was the smallest epsilon of a PL language that you could basically write. He wrote his own parser and Lex and Yak and all this madness. Parrot, I have my parser, I have my language, I have my VM. I just need to know the Parrot, the Postgres internal side to how to jam this in there, and then basically I can, go on my way and embed Parrot and do all kinds of wonderful things. Why would you want Parrot in your database? Great question to ask me. Wouldn't it be great if you could write performance-critical cross-platform stored procedures and not have to worry that, oh, we have these 10,000 lines of stored procedures in C, and okay, let's go get that to work on another platform now. Like, good luck with that. Or, oh, let's fuzz our data because, these clients shouldn't see the real data, and then, the fuzzed data brings out a double free error in your stored procedures that brings down your entire production database. Things like that happened to me, so maybe they've happened to you. So, those things would hopefully be much, much less prevalent. Of course, there could be a bug in Parrot, which you can come yell at me and we would fix it the next day. But hopefully, you're not going to be generating double free errors from a dynamic language as much. So, although it's possible. Does anyone have a question? Has anyone never heard of Parrot before, or doesn't give a shit about Postgres or both? If you're from a different database community and you want Parrot virtual machine in your database, come on to #Parrot and irc.perl.org and we'll make it happen.
I already have a framework roughly for plugging in dynamic languages into MySQL. Just not. I'm going to be working with one in the future to incorporate.
Interesting. So yeah, we can put Parrot in MySQL. I'm all aboard.
So Parrot and Maria.
Yeah. Well, yeah.
I'm
porting my code to Maria.
I'm only on the outskirts of the database community. I'm in Portland. I hang out with Selena. I hear what the Postgres peeps are doing, but I'm a lowly developer. My DBAs and my ops teams makes the database work, and I just jam data in and grab data out.
Can I get that on a t-shirt? To give to people, like I'm just a lowly database developer.
Questions? Comments?
Do you drink black vodka?
I drink good scotch.
Yeah. Well,
Next question!
Can I sit with you two at dinner?
What's that? Yeah, sure.
Scotch and vodka, this would be a good combination.
Any other questions or comments? Yes?
If there were a function in another database that executed a query but was called something like parse query, would that confuse you too?
In what sense?
If the internal function name that executed a query was just called parse query?
That would be logical.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Not like in Postgres internals right now. So, yeah, it's just, I tried to look at the internal function names and they seem to be a random collection of letters that someone thought.
short ones.
That's just me. No,
that's
that's
pretty long.
medium, but, just, camel case, Haskell case, a little bit of maybe Hungarian crazy notation. I don't even know. But fast, performance-critical, cross-platform stored procedures. If you care about that, then you want a VM in your database. People have already put JVM, I'm not, that's not the way I roll. I want open source in my database, and